A Christmas tree indicates the year is coming to an end and the start of a new year. You do not want to miss today's episode because I'll be sharing 5 best online business for you to start with no money in year 2021. Hi guys, welcome back to Supermom TV, the channel that brings you the best tips, strategies, and tools for building a profitable online business. In today's video, I'll be sharing 5 best online business for you to start in the year 2021 with no money. On my channel Supermom TV, I'll be sharing a lot on how you can grow your online business. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. I started this online business journey since 8 years ago after I quit my property agent job and after I became a mother. This 8 years of online business journey brings me a lot of ups and downs. So I've learned a lot along the way. There are so many types of online businesses out there, but which are the ones that are more profitable and sustainable? In this video, I have summarized the top 5 best online business for you to start with no money. Why do I emphasize on starting an online business with no money? The reason is very simple. It is going to be risk-free, and whatever that you have earned will be purely profits. When you start to see profit, you will be more motivated to grow your online business. Year 2020 has been a year of uncertainty and also new challenges for all of us due to the pandemic. And due to this pandemic, a lot of people lost their jobs during this crisis. The thing is, we do not know when is this crisis going to end. It is only smart for us to create a job for ourselves and source for an alternative income as a backup. Online business is an excellent way to earn extra income. You can also turn an online business into your full-time income. To be honest, this year 2020 has been my most lucrative year for my online businesses. And I believe next year will be even better. So that's why today I make this video just to share with you my 5 best online business to start next year. The online businesses that I'm going to recommend today has no specific order, but make sure that you stick till the end because I'll be revealing one extra bonus online business that you can start with no money in the year 2021. The very first online business that I want to share with you today is freelancing business. Some of the examples of freelancing job that you can start online and also you can start from home is copywriting, web designer, graphic designer, video editor, and many more. Many of these freelancing jobs requires certain skill. So if you have any hobby or skills that you are good at, you can try starting this business online. There are so many freelancing platforms that you can start with, and these platforms are free. The best thing is these platforms have very high traffic of customers. So basically, when you first start, you do not even need to have any website. You can just write on the existing traffic of these online platforms, or we call these the freelancing platforms. This year, I have started my very own freelancing business, and this is related to 2 of my online business that I'm going to review later on. So make sure that you stick around. So the freelancing business that I have started this year is doing video production. End of 2019, which is end of last year, I started one online business that I'll be revealing later, which is called the Dropshipping. So I have been promoting a lot of video editing services to my specific audience. Many of my clients request me to do filming as well. So I wanted to challenge myself. I stepped out of the comfort zone and I tried filming one of my clients' video, and it turns out great. So this is literally a newfound business for myself. Even though this is not an online business and you really need to get out of the house and do the filming, but the clients are sourced through digital marketing, which is the online marketing. Plus, doing videography is my passion, and this is really my dream of combining my passion and work at the same time. So this way, it will be more fulfilling as well as earning a comfortable income for myself. Other popular freelancing jobs that you can start online are virtual assistant, social media manager, content writer, and many more. You must be telling me, May, I have no skill at all. How can I start my own freelancing business? And this leads me to the next online business that I want to recommend you, which is the drop servicing. You hear me talk about drop servicing millions of times on this channel. This is my most lucrative business that I'm having right now. And it is not just me that is seeing the success of doing drop servicing. Many of my friends and students are achieving tremendously good results after they start drop servicing. If you are not familiar what drop servicing is, I will leave a video up here. This video will explain to you what is drop servicing and why you should start doing drop servicing now. Generally, drop servicing business involves reselling of online services. For example, I am promoting video editing service, but I do not have any skills in video editing. So what I did was I outsourced this video editing part to a freelancer. Like I mentioned on my first online business, which is the freelancing business, if you do not have any skills, you can use the drop servicing method to build this drop servicing business. The best thing is you are not limited to one service. You can bundle up services and sell it because you can engage several freelancers to help you fulfill these orders. With several services that you can promote, you can then brand yourself as an agency. So basically, you are being paid by your client as a project coordinator. Freelancing business versus drop servicing business, which one are more lucrative? I have concluded that doing drop servicing business is definitely more lucrative and more profitable because you are selling bundle services and you are selling a one-stop solution to your potential clients. As for freelancing business, you are only focusing on only one service and one skill that you have, but then why not combining both? So if you have skill plus you want to also expand your business, you can consider continue doing your freelancing business and add on more other services whereby you can outsource those services. This way you can actually bundle them up together and also charge your client according to an agency kind of pricing. If you are interested to learn more about drop servicing, I have a training over here. You can watch my 2-hour training to learn how you can build your very own profitable drop servicing business. Next online business I have for you is the e-commerce. E-commerce is the all-time trending right now due to the pandemic. Everyone stays at home and only get their supplies through online shopping. Brick and mortar businesses are all moving online, and it is so much more convenient for shoppers to stay at home and do their online shopping, have their goods delivered right at their doorstep without stepping out of their house. Moving forward, it is going to be even more online shoppers out there. As I've mentioned earlier on, we are not sure when is this pandemic going to end, and even if it's going to end, this is going to be a new normal. Brick and mortar businesses are closing down. It is so sad to see all these big retailers closing down. So e-commerce is here to stay and it is going to get better. Not all e-commerce business you can start with no money. The only way that you can start an e-commerce business with no money is to sell them on online marketplaces. The free ones that I'm using right now are eBay, Etsy, and Carousel. The popular way of doing an e-commerce business is by buying in bulk the items that you want to sell, rent a warehouse, and after that promote it on your online store. So what if you do not have any products to sell? This leads me to the next online business that I want to recommend to you, which is the dropshipping method. So dropshipping is another popular e-commerce business model that you can start with no money. This is because you do not need to stock up any of the products and also do not need any warehousing. All you need to do is to find a supplier that can help you to ship your products that you have promoted and ship it directly to your customers. In order for you to ensure a successful dropshipping business, you need to find trending products and also do a very good marketing for your dropshipping business. The fifth best online business for you to start with no money in the year 2020 is selling digital products. Selling digital products, or what we call as e-products, are very profitable because you need to only create the product once. After that, you can just need to sell. And the subsequent sales will all be 100% pure profit. One of the most popular digital products on the internet is the info products. Example of info products are ebooks and also e-courses. Other examples of digital products are the e-magazines, business templates, presentation templates, planners, printables, and many more. You can find many of these digital products on Etsy.com. So Etsy.com is one of the most popular marketplace that you can start selling your digital products. I have created many digital products before, and it is one of the very profitable online business that I have. The digital products that I've created are the e-magazine, e-course, as well as ebooks. Some of the digital products that I've produced didn't make any sales, but some are very profitable. So no matter what kind of digital products or physical products that you are selling, you need to do a very in-depth market research. Being a course creator or teaching online is my accidental business because I discovered this business through my own mummy friends. That is also the reason why I've created this channel, and this will also lead to my next bonus online business recommendation by me, which is to create your own YouTube channel. YouTube is the second biggest search engine on the internet. It is a free platform, plus it has very high traffic. YouTube is a great place for you to build a following, and after you have built your following, you can then promote your products or services. This platform enables me to reach international clients, and it is by far the most effective platform for me to get organic traffic. Here are a few different types of revenues that I have generated after starting a YouTube channel. So from this YouTube channel, Supermom TV, I have generated revenues from paid sponsorship, affiliate marketing, print-on-demand items, my digital products, which are my e-courses, as well as my job servicing business. So you must be asking me, why did I put starting a YouTube channel as a bonus? It is because many people do not feel that starting a YouTube channel is a business. In fact, it is an online business. YouTube is a fantastic platform for you to build and grow your online business. You can say that YouTube is an engine that helps to drive traffic to your products. But to me, YouTube is an online business itself. You need to have a system, and you need to have marketing strategies for your YouTube channel, just like any other online business. Which online business that you want to start for the year 2021? Let me know in the comment section below. Let me know if you have any questions regarding today's episode, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye!